Today I'm going to draw a super cool and colorful Popit Jeep. So grab your colors and let's start drawing together. GlittyArtEnglish! First, I draw the full body shape of the Jeep. Then I add 2 big wheels at the bottom. After that, I draw 3 horizontal lines across the body to create 4 sections. Next, I draw several round poppet shapes inside each section. While I draw them, did you know? Jeeps are known for their strength and off-road power. The first Jeeps were made for the military in World War II. Now, people use them for adventure and fun. Now I start coloring. First, I use glitter red for the top. It looks super bright and bold. Next, I color the second part with glitter orange, like a shiny candy. Then I add glitter yellow to the third section. It glows like the sun. For the bottom, I use glitter green. Fresh and fun, just like grass. Now for the wheels. I color them black with glitter. They look strong and cool. The whole Jeep sparkles like a rainbow ride. And my Popit Jeep is ready. It's full of bright colors and glittery fun. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye.